Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to act now. Check settings to confirm your iPhone model and iOS version so the steps match. Make sure the SIM is active or a trusted number is available. This matters because codes route to those endpoints. Once done, close apps that might hijack SMS or calls and connect to a stable Wi-Fi or good cellular signal. Then open the app or site requesting the code and select Send Code. You're ready for the delivery phase. Now focus on where the code can be trapped. Open messages and check unknown senders and any blocked contacts because automated SMS often appears there. Then make sure iCloud and carrier settings aren't filtering SMS. Turn off filters briefly and disable SMS forwarding to other devices if active, because that splits message delivery. If SMS fails, request a voice call option or hit resend after 60 seconds. Voice calls enter the code as soon as it arrives. If you copied it from another device, paste to avoid typos. If messages never arrive, switch to signing in on a trusted device or start the account recovery flow using your recovery key or backup email, because those are alternate verified paths. If things go wrong, reboot the iPhone, toggle airplane mode on then off, and recheck. If that fails, contact your carrier to confirm SMS routing. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most delivery failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.